Welcome to another episode. So you already know I'm Stanley7. If you don't know who I am, I'm gonna let you know who I am right now. I'm a fisherman. I'm a business owner that makes fishing baits, fishing apparel, all kinds of stuff. But this video right here is going to be, we're going fishing. The boat in the background. I got one of my buddies with me. He never fished with me before, but he has a boat. I hooked him up. Long story short, I've been doing a lot of stuff with him, and I was like, hey, let's go fishing tomorrow. Even though the wind is blowing super bad, it just finished raining. We're gonna have like 20 to 25 miles per hour wind, and it's gonna be a challenge, real big challenge. It's just to catch a fish. That's the biggest challenge. Super hard today. I already know the odds of us catching a fish. I probably got a better chance staying home and playing the lottery. So, let's get to it. Living the dream, baby. He got him. Woo! Nice. Woo! To it. Wow, did y'all see that? A wild dog. He was crossing the canal. We was just running. He's gone now. That was pretty cool. All right, guys. The wind's blowing super bad. Super bad. We got some music playing, we're going in, so let's go. What's up, y'all? All right, so we just got done fishing, and yes, it was some hard fishing. But if you seen in the video, when I was taking the hook out the fish's mouth, you seen some new pliers. So these pliers right here, they are sold on the website 7baits.com. You could get you a pair. These are the first pliers that has replaceable blade tips. Freaking unbelievable, awesome. Other companies I have seen that they have the little screw that you can actually unscrew it, take it out, but you go on their website, you look at the pliers, there's no replacement blades for them. So why have the screw if you can't replace it? Well, guess what? Now you can. So every time when you're going to make a purchase and get one of these, you're going to get an extra little blade, and they're going to come in a little bag. So that's the cool thing. They work. They're absolutely awesome. They're great. Get you a pair. What you waiting for? Start living the dream. Hold on. Trolling motors on. God. Yeah. Woo.
Ah. Woo! Living the